everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support of my channel. So as you all know, from time to time, although my channel is based on my love for hair, both natural hair care as well as wigs, I tend to also put a huge emphasis on self-care and self-love, motivation, and inspiration. So today's topic in particularly was pretty heavy on my spirit to just come on and talk about self-care and burnout and different ways that we can prevent burnout. So today I'm going to be talking about 5 self-care tips to prevent burnout. I think is very important in these times. So again, thank you all so much for joining me today. If you didn't remember to do so on your way coming in, please don't forget to blow dry on the like button for me on your way going out. Also, if you have the ability to share, please share the video for me. Sharing is caring. It helps me out a great deal with more people being able to discover my channel here on YouTube. Now, without further ado, I am going to get right into these self-care tips. So again, I'm going to be talking today about 5 self-care tips to help us recover from burnout. So have you ever felt like you were being pulled into a million different directions, kind of juggling your job with other everyday tasks that you may be dealing with? Or do small tasks feel overwhelming? Like, does performing the same task tomorrow, just the thought of it, seem to turn your stomach? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then there is a very good chance that you could be experiencing some type of burnout. Now, what exactly is burnout? I did some research on the matter, and according to Psychology Today, burnout is a state of emotional, mental, and often physical exhaustion brought on by prolonged or repeated stress. And although burnout is commonly associated with workplace stress, your personal life can play a role in burnout as well. Now, you may ask, how does workplace burnout happen? Too many tasks, working extremely long hours, or having little to no support are major causes of workplace burnout. And I think we're all pretty much familiar with that. However, unexpected events can arise that affect workload and even your work environment itself. Now, due to the recent pandemic that we've experienced for the last 2.5 years, that has actually left many people burnt out because of changes in maybe their physical workspace and additional personal responsibilities, such as maybe caring for children who would have usually been in school, or having more personal demands put on us, as well as deadlines to meet. That can sometimes pull our personal attention into multiple directions as well, causing or leading to burnout. Now, according to the World Health Organization, or the WHO, signs of burnout include energy depletion, having negative or critical feelings surrounding your job, feeling depressed or anxious, and reduced professional efficacy are signs of burnout as well. So if you're feeling burnt out, there's not really a cause for alarm. However, if you are feeling completely pushed to the edge, then I strongly suggest maybe speaking with a professional. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm going to just share 5 simple tips that can help you to recover if you're experiencing burnout. So tip number 1 is to get moving, get breathing, which is why I've been trying to do more physical aerobics, trying to walk a little bit more, trying to eat a little bit lighter. Exercise is actually a proven method to reduce stress, which can help you unwind and get your mind off work. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress because it increases blood flow and the amount of oxygen that can get into the body's tissues, such as our brains. Exercise causes endorphins to be released in the brain, which then turn around and make us to feel happier, much more relaxed, and less stressed. Now, the American Heart Association recommends getting 150 minutes or more of moderate intensity aerobic activity each week. And some popular aerobic exercises include bike riding, taking a brisk walk, swimming, and dancing. According to WebMD, practicing deep breathing may also reduce stress by helping to relax your muscles. Whether alone or with a friend, start practicing joyful movement and breathe out the built up stress. Tip number 2, currently working on this one. Eat a more balanced diet and stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Although your diet can seem trivial, it is very important and can have a profound effect on your mood and physical energy. Eating a well balanced diet will provide your body and brain with the nutrients it needs to complete all of your daily tasks. Staying hydrated is also extremely important for brain function. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has some great resources on eating a well balanced, healthy diet and staying hydrated. Tip number 3. Oh, I'm so guilty of this one, guys. Get enough sleep. The Center for Disease Control, or CDC, recommends that the average adult get 7 hours or more of sleep each night. Guys, I'm too embarrassed to let you know how many hours I get. Sleep is a time where your body can actually recover and rest. When you are in a stressful situation, even more sleep may be needed to feel fully rested and energized and alert for the next day. Tip number 4, practice mindfulness at work and at home. And what do we mean by mindfulness? That is, practice being more aware of how you're feeling and recognizing your stress. This will help you to determine when you need to take a break. I'm one of those people that I know I need to get up and take a break, but I just got one more thing to take off my to-do list. So I'll keep working and working and working. And then before you know it, it's time to go, when I should have just got up and given myself some time to break. We don't want to be too hard on ourselves. Acknowledge that you're doing the best that you can. Set realistic, attainable goals and try not to overextend yourself. Most importantly, think about why you're doing what it is that you're doing. Creating a purpose out of mundane tasks or assignments can ignite passion for one's work. If you know the why, the how to becomes clearer and sometimes easier. And the last tip, tip number 5, build a support system by asking for and accepting help when you need it. Oftentimes, we don't want to ask for help. Building communication into your self-awareness can open doors to coworkers or managers that can help you to be more effective at work. Ask for more resources if you need them, whether it be more time, a coworker's help, or helpful resources. If it helps you to meet glaring deadlines or reduce workplace stress, it is definitely worth asking. Having a support system outside of work is also very important, and that may look different for everyone. A support system could be your family members, a group of friends, or even friends from work. With every stressful situation, whether in the workplace or in your personal life, there are things that you can do to help yourself feel less stress. Remember to be kind and patient with yourself. This will help you to reduce your burnout. Also, there are several resources online that will help you to reduce stress and cope with workplace burnout and other wellness programs. Some of the sources that I use today to get these 5 tips are Psychology Today, the World Health Organization, the American Heart Association, WebMD, the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, and the Center for Disease Control. I hope that you guys enjoyed these 5 self-help tips to helpfully help you to recover from burnout. I want to thank you for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this commentary, please be sure to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Make sure you double tap the notification bell so that you're notified each time that I put new content on the channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.